Let's go. EM's kitchen. Dark on us music. Let's go. Have you heard? Have you tasted a yum nice food? Oh, palatable. Go. It's tasty. Sweet aroma. EM for short. A yum nice food.
Guys, so this is the vegetables that we use our Saladmaster to slice them. I'm going to use it for my salad. I'm going to transfer it into my bowl. I hope you can see the different shapes that we have. Need to mix it to combine. With the ingredients, I'm going to put all of them. I still have some egg, corned beef, spring onion, and sweet corn to add it to my salad. Guys, look at that. It's easy to use the Saladmaster food processor to slice your vegetables for salad. Look at that. That is why it's called Saladmaster. I have mixed it to combine. I'm going to add my cream to it. Then I will mix it and put this in the fridge for 30 minutes. Then my salad is ready to serve. Look at that. Guys, this salad is very healthy and it's loaded with a lot of vegetables. I have spinach, I have carrots, cabbage, a lot. I will list all the ingredients in my description section. So I'm going to put this in the fridge for 30 minutes, then I'll serve it. Guys, the good news is that if you are interested with this lovely food processor, don't hesitate to contact me. I can help you to get this for free of charge. Guys, don't forget to subscribe.